Hello student, welcome you again to the virtual classes. Yes, by Jet Kids. We are learning in class 1. Yes, in previous videos and our subject is maths. Yes, our subject is maths. In previous video student, we have started our chapter number 6, numbers up to 20. Okay, so in this video also we will continue with this chapter. Yes, in that chapter we learn numbers and number names up to 20, concept of tens and ones, greater number, smaller number, greatest number, smallest number, comparison of numbers. Yes, so in this video we are going to see our next concept, that is ascending and descending order. For that you have to open your textbook page number 70. Yes, open. So let us start ascending and descending order. How to write numbers in ascending and descending order. Yes. Now see the first one, ascending order. Yes. When we arrange numbers in group from the smallest to the greatest, they said to be in ascending order. Yes. See the following examples. When we arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest. Yes. Now you know how to find the smallest number. Yes. When you count which number comes first, that is the smallest number, then another number, and the last number is called the greatest number. Yes, when we arrange the number from smallest to the greatest, that is called the ascending order. We also said it as a increasing order. But see the now here, some numbers are there. Yes, smallest to the greatest, they are arranged in a order smallest to the greatest. See, 7. Yes, 7 is the smallest number. After 7, 9. Yes, 9 is little bit greater. Yes, then 10 and then 15. So numbers are arranged like this. Okay. Now see the next one. Okay. You can see here also. Yes, these numbers are arranged in on a step. Yes, the smallest number is written on first step, then greater, and then the greatest number. Yes, 9, 12, 15, and 16. These numbers are arranged in a proper order, smallest to the greatest. So they are called the is in ascending order. We say it as a ascending order. Okay. Now see the next exercise. Yes. Write the given numbers in ascending order. Write the given numbers in ascending order. Now some numbers are given here. You have to arrange them in a ascending order. Okay. See which numbers are there? 9, 15, 2 and 12. So when you arrange numbers in ascending order, what you have to do? Find the smallest number first. Let us count from the 0, 1 and 2. So you can see 2 is the smallest number here. So write down the 2. Yes. Now among these four numbers 9, 15 and 2 and 12, we use the number 2. So we wrote the number 2. So you have to cut that number. Now among these three numbers again find the next number. Count from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes. Now 9 is the smallest number here. So write down the 9 and cut the 9. Yes. Now which two numbers remain? 12 and 15. Among these two numbers, which one is the smallest? Yes, 12 is the smallest number. So write down the 12. Yes, and cut the 12. Now only one number is remain, that is 15. So write down the 15. Yes. So we arrange the number smallest to the greatest. 2, 9, 12 and 15. Yes. So starting from the smallest we reach to the greatest number. See the arrow is going up. We are going up. Yes. stairs are there going up. So this is called the ascending order, 2, 9, 12 and 15. Now see the next, 10, 5, 17 and 11. Yes. So what you have to do? First find out the smallest number among them. When we count from the 0, which number will you find first? Yes, it is 5. 5 is the smallest number here. So write down the 5 and cut the 5 in given numbers. Yes. Now the number that is, yes, greater than 5 but not the greatest one among these, that is, yes, 10. Write down the 10 and cut 10. Now only two numbers are remain, 17 and 11. So among these two numbers, which one is the smallest? Yes, 11. So write down the 11 and cut the number 11. Now 17 is remain, so write down the 17. Yes. So we arrange numbers 5 to 17 in a ascending order, starting from smallest reach to the greatest. 5, 10, 11 and 17. This is the ascending order. Okay. Now we will see the next example. Yes. Here steps are not given. Yes. So how will you write? Yes. You will write the smallest number first, then greater, greater and greatest. Yes. Now see the numbers 2, 8, 3 and 10. Okay. So what you have to do? Yes. Find the smallest number first. Yes. 2 is the smallest number. So write down 2 in first box. Yes. Why 2 is the smallest number? Because when we count from the 0, 2 comes first. 0, 1 and 2. Now cut the 2. Yes. You have to write in your textbook. All the answers you have to write in your textbook. Now see the next number. After 2, which number is near to the 0? It is 3. So write down the 3. Very good. Now student, you have to cut the 3. Yes. Now see, two numbers remain, 8 and 10. Again find out the smallest number among these two. Yes, 8 is the smallest number. So write down the 8 and cut the 8. Now the remaining number 10 you have to write. Now we have arranged this number from smallest to the greatest. Yes. 2, 3, 8 and 10. This is the ascending order. Okay. Now we will see the next one. Yes. Read the numbers first. 6, 12, 9 and 7. 6, 12, 9 and 7. So find out the smallest number first. How will you find the smallest number? Yes, the number that is near to the 0. Yes, when we count from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 is the smallest number here. Now write down the 6. Yes, now cut the 6 here. Yes. Now among these three numbers, 12, 17 and 9, find the smallest number. It is 9. So write down the 9 and cut the 9. Now the next number among these two numbers, 12 and 17, which is the smallest? Yes, 12 is the smallest, so you have to write down the 12 and cut the 12. Now write the remaining number 17. Yes. So we arrange these numbers in the ascending order 6, 9, 12 and 17. When you will see on a number strip, you can see that the numbers are arranging in ascending order. They are, yes, the first number is near to the 0, then another is far, next one is far and the last one is farthest, means the greatest number. So student, you understand how to write the numbers in ascending order? Yes. Start with the smallest number and then reach to the greatest number. It is called the ascending order or increasing order. Now we will see the next. Yes, descending order. What is descending order? It is opposite of ascending order. Okay. When we arrange numbers in a group from the greatest to the smallest, they are said to be in descending order. Yes. Yes, student. For the descending order, you have to open textbook page number. Yes, which textbook page number? 71. Yes, 71. So what is given there? When we arrange the numbers in a group from the greatest to the smallest, yes, opposite of ascending, we have to start with the greatest number and reach to the smallest number, go to the smallest number. When we arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest are said to be in a descending order. Yes. Now see the following examples. See 16, 9, 5 and 1. Now you can see 16 is the farthest from the 0. Yes, mean the greatest number. Then 9, yes, smaller than 6, 5, smaller than 9 and 1 is the smallest number. See the another one also 20, 17, 8 and 4. Yes. Now we are going down. Yes. Stairs we are going down. In ascending order we go up. Now here we are going down. See 20 is the greatest number. Then 17 smaller, 8 smaller and 4 is the smallest number. Yes. So we arrange numbers from greatest to the smallest. It is called to be in a descending order or decreasing order. Now we will see the examples. Okay. On same page examples are there or exercises there. Yes. See the write the given numbers in descending order. Now some numbers are given to you and you have to write these numbers in descending order. Okay. See the numbers 4, 14, 16 and 8. Okay. So which one is the greatest number among them? Yes, it is 16. 16 is greatest among them. So write down the number 16 on first box. Yes. And cut the number 16. Okay. Now 4, 14 and 8. Which one is the greater or smaller than 16 but not the smallest? Yes, it is 14. So write down 14. Yes. Now see the cut the number 14. Yes, now only two numbers remain 8 and 4. Among them which one is the greatest? Yes, and smaller than 14. It is 8. So write down the 8. Cut the 8. Yes. Now the next number 4. Write down the 4. Now we have arranged these numbers in descending order. First the greatest number 16, then smaller than 16, 14, then smaller than 14, 8 and smallest number 4. Understand? 16, 14, 8 and 4. So this is the descending order given by you. Okay. Now see the next numbers. 7, 1, 17 and 11. Yes. So write down first number, greatest number. Which one is the greatest number? Yes, 17 is the greatest number. So write down 17 first. Yes. Now cut the 17. Yes. Now the number that is smaller from 17. Okay, smaller from 17. Okay, smaller than 17. So which one is the? Yes, 11. 11 is smaller than 17 but not the smallest one. Yes. Now cut the 11. Yes, now 7 and 1. Which one is smaller than 11 but not the smallest one? Yes, it is 7. So write down 7 and cut the 7. Yes. and the 1 is the smallest number, so write down the 1. Now here we arrange the numbers in descending order. Greatest number 17, then smaller 11, then 7 and then 1. Greatest to smallest 17, 11, 7 and 1. Okay. Now we will see the next examples. Yes. Now here no steps or no stairs are given. So how will you write the numbers? Yes. You will write the greater number in first. Yes. First circle. So see the numbers 12, 3, 9, 6, 3 and 12. Okay. So which one is the greatest number among these? Yes, it is 12. 12 is the greatest number. So write down the 12 in first circle. Yes. And cut the 12. Now, the number that is smaller from 9. Sorry, smaller than 12. Smaller than 12. It is 9. Yes. So cut the 9. Now only two numbers remain 6 and 3. So you can say the number that is smaller than 9 but not the smallest one. It is 6. And cut the 6. Write down the 6 and cut the 6 here. You have to write answers in your textbook. Now the last one 3. So write down the 3. Yes. So we arrange these numbers in descending order. Greatest number 12, then smaller 9, smaller 6 and then the last number 3. 12 to 3. We arrange them in a descending order. Yes. Now see the next example. Which four numbers are there? 7, 11, 16 and 2. So which is the greatest number? Yes, 16 is the greatest number. How you say that 16 is the greatest number? Because when you count, you can see the 16 comes last, or on number strip 16 is farthest from the 0. So 16 is our greatest number. Write down the 16. Yes. Now cut the 16. Very good. Now which three numbers remain? 7, 11 and 2. Yes, now you have to find the number that is smaller from the 16 but not the smallest one. Yes. Yes. It is 11. So write down the 11 and cut the 11. Yes. Now two numbers remain 7 and 2. So which one is the greater among them? 7. So you can write 7 here and cut the 7 and 2 in the last circle. So here again we arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest. Greater number 16, then 11, then 7 and then 2. Understand? So student, you have to practice it at home. Okay? I will send some more examples to solve. Okay? As a PH. Till then student, bye. Have a nice day.